From world leaders to global icons, this isn't just a car. It is the ultimate symbol of power and silence. Inside, it is not a cabin, it is a sanctuary. A perfect blend of digital intelligence and handcrafted silence.
But perfection starts here. Welcome to Factory 56 in Germany. Step inside and you find absolute silence. No sparks, no dirt, no chaos. It looks more like a science lab than a car factory. Forget conveyor belts. Here, the cars float on intelligent, driverless platforms that move silently across the floor like ghosts. Every single part is tracked digitally to ensure zero mistakes. Now, let's build the best car in the world. But before it becomes a legend, it begins as a raw sheet of metal. Welcome to the most advanced factory on Earth.
Aligning the top hinge now. Clear on this side.
Check the rear quarter reflection.
Looks good. No signs of orange peel here.
A 1,000 quality checks. 0 errors. The paint must be absolutely flawless.
Only perfection earns the star, the symbol of the best or nothing.
Born in silence, it is now ready. The legend finally leaves its home. Unmatched comfort. Untamed technology. It doesn't just drive, it floats.
The Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the standard for the rest of the world.
It is not just a car. It is the undisputed king of the road, the standard by which all others are measured.